Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new topic that is a very important topic in your English language, and that is tenses. Okay, so firstly I would like to give you a brief on the topic that what a tense is. A tense, see, in the previous topic we studied about verbs. So we studied that verbs are the doing actions. Okay, in a sentence the verbs are your doing actions. But tenses basically tells us about that when the action has happened. Is that action happened in the past, or is it going on right in the present, or it will happen in the future. So tenses generally describe the time that when an action is going to happen. So basically there are three kinds of tenses. The first is your present, then past, and then future. So students, in this video we are going to simply talk about the present tense. Okay, so present tense is divided into four more parts, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and then present perfect continuous. So our present tense is simply divided into four parts. The first is simple present, then present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So in this video we are only going to talk about the present tense. So the first is your simple present. Okay, now how these simple present sentences are. Okay, so suppose the simple present sentences, they generally denote a habitual activity, any habitual action that we do, that is our habit, and we do that on a regular basis or on a daily routine basis. These kind of sentences, or you can say any sentence that denotes the universal truth, means any sentence that denotes a universal fact or a universal truth. So these kind of sentences are known as your simple present sentences. Suppose if I say the earth revolves around the sun. So this is a universal truth and it cannot be changed. It is a fact and you cannot change this fact, right? And suppose if I say she goes to school regularly. So this is her habit. This is her routine activity, that she goes to school regularly. She does her work daily. Okay, she does her work daily. So this is her routine activity and she does it daily. Or if I say she brushes her teeth regularly, she cooks delicious food. So any sentence that has S and ES, these sentences are your simple present sentences. Okay, these sentences are generally your routine habits, your daily activities, or anything which is a universal fact and it cannot be changed, like the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. So this is true and this cannot be changed. Or suppose if I say the human body has 206 bones. So this is true that it is having 206 bones. It cannot be 207. So this is a fact. So these kind of sentences are your simple present sentence and they generally have S or ES in it. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ she goes to school. She goes to school. So can you see that we have ES in these kind of sentences? Yeah, suppose if I say she cooks delicious food. So can you see that cooks, S is being added. So these kind of sentences generally you will be able to identify these sentences because they have S in them, S or ES in them. Okay, now we will discuss about now we have discussed about simple present. Now we will discuss about present continuous tense. So what are these present continuous sentences? See, present continuous sentences denotes an activity that is going on at the time of speaking. Suppose this time, what am I doing? I am teaching and you are listening, right? So I am teaching right now. So this is an activity which is going on. It is still going on and I am doing this activity. Suppose if I say I am teaching, okay, and then I say you are listening. So this activity is that you are doing. So this action is going on, okay, at the time of my speaking. So these kind of sentences are your present continuous sentences, and they generally have is, am, are plus ing form of verb. Okay, see, can you see here? It is having am, it is having are, plus there is ing, correct? So if whenever you want to identify that like this sentence is present continuous, then you can identify it. How? It will always have is, am or are plus ing form of verb. और वैसे भी अगर आपको identify करना है तो these are those sentences या these are those activities which are going on at the time of speaking. Suppose if I say I am reading a novel. So right now I am doing that activity. So that will come under your present continuous. Yeah, if I say she is completing her work. So is there and ing form of verb is there. So right now she is doing that thing. So this will come under your present continuous. Okay. Now we will discuss about the next, that is your present perfect tense. See, in order to identify present perfect tense, it always has or have plus verb third form. If you want to identify that the sentence is in present perfect tense or not, so you can identify it by this thing, that it will always have has or have depending upon your subject, is it singular or plural, and it will always be having the verb's third form. What is your verb's third form? The verb's third form is also known as your past participle. Suppose if I say sing, sang, sung. Okay, I say eat, ate, eaten. So what is the third form of verb in these two? Sung is the third form of verb. Here the third form of verb is eaten. Or if I say drive, drove, driven. So third form of verb is driven. Correct? So अब हम देख लेते हैं जैसे कोई sentence, that how the sentence is being framed in these kind of present perfect tense. So मतलब these kind of sentences are those which have generally started in the past. They have started in the past at some point of time, and they are still true in the present. Like suppose if I say I have lived in Delhi since 2008, means I have lived in Delhi since 2008. Like in past I started living, and in present also it's going on. I am living in Delhi. So can you see that it is having have plus the verb's third form. So this is your present perfect tense. Okay? Or you can say these are those sentences which are completed in a very like recent past. Or suppose if I say I have taught no, if I say the sentence that I have just finished my homework. So this sentence has been completed in a very like recent past. बिल्कुल अभी past में ये complete हुआ है. So that is why I have added just. I have just finished my homework. So see, can you see this? That have is there plus the verb's third form is there. So these kind of sentences are your present perfect tense. Or suppose if I say Madhur has worked as a teacher for 25 years now, means Madhur has teaching career in the past, and still that teaching career is there. Okay, it continues in the present. So can you see that there is has plus the verb's third form. So in this way you can identify the present perfect tense. Now we will move on to present perfect continuous. Now what does this have? Present perfect continuous. See, present perfect continuous. So in present perfect continuous, what do we add is that we always have has or have is used in present perfect continuous, plus there is a new addition now. We use been and we use ing form of verb. In present perfect continuous, we use has or have depending upon the subject, whether it's plural or singular. We use been and then we use ing form of verb. So these are those sentences which have started in the past and they are continuing still till now, means they are even like right now I'm speaking, so till now it is going on. Present perfect mein difference ye tha ki they were those actions which have started in the past but they are true in the present also. But present perfect continuous mein kya hota hai that these are those sentences which have started in the past but it is going on, it is right now, so it's going on at the time of my speaking. Jaise let's see a sentence, like suppose if I say he has been watching television since morning. So इसको आइडेंटिफाई करने का सबसे बेस्ट तरीका तो यही है कि it is having has, okay, it is having been plus it's having ing form of verb. So this is your present perfect continuous sentence. But still, can you see this, that it has started in the past, मतलब वो टीवी देख रहा है सुबह से since morning, but right now since morning मतलब पीछे तो चल ही रहा था पास में, but still it is going on, अभी भी देख ही रहा है, अभी भी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है वो एक्शन. So that action has not been finished till now at the time of my speaking as well. So these kind of sentences are your present perfect continuous. Or you can take one more example. I have been teaching since 2 hours, means I have been teaching since 2 hours. Firstly, it is having have, तो has या have होता है plus been plus ing. So this is your present perfect continuous sentence, ये तो हमें दिख रहा है. And secondly, I have been teaching since 2 hours. I have been teaching since 2 hours. So पहली बात तो I have started teaching before 2 hours and right now also I am going on teaching at the time of my speaking. So these kind of sentences are your present perfect continuous.